kind of get like tenderness or like soreness with my breast when it's not that time of the month. It's usually like a couple weeks before.
Okay.
So I'm kind of wondering what would be causing that.
A couple weeks before your period, you are ovulating. So most breast pain, which by the way, 90+% of women experience at some point in their lives, is from the hormonal fluctuations associated with having menstrual cycles. Yeah. But your breasts respond to food a lot too. So if you like caffeine, no, not really. Coffee, tea, chocolate, oh, no?
I have coffee like once, like in the morning, and then I'm done.
Okay, well that can affect breast pain.
Okay.
As can salt. So if you eat a lot of salty things, it retains water in your breasts, which makes them heavier and hurt. Here is a food that is anti-breast pain, soy. Oh. So tofu, soy milk, these have phytoestrogens, plant-based estrogens that actually, despite what, again, you may have heard, lower your body's estrogen levels and take away breast pain.
Huh. Who knew?
So I have a number of ways
Can we interest you in some tofu?
Sure. Here we have my 10 superfoods. So we talk about in the book ad nauseum almost how much I love superfoods. So what they all have in common are phytonutrients, or these chemicals unique to plants that literally course through your blood doing things that cancer cells hate. It takes away inflammation, they take away free radicals, they lower estrogen levels, they stop tumor blood vessel formation, which they need to grow and live.
Wow.
So all of these foods have all of that power. A couple of my faves, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, the collard greens, and kale is king. Oh. Another superfood fave is fiber. So it turns out you need 30 grams of fiber a day to really effectively drop cancer by 50%.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Wow.
30 grams is not that hard to achieve, and guess how many people do? 3% of Americans.
Dang.
That's pretty scary because look how much fiber is here. 13 grams in one avocado. You've got lentils and beans. You've got
2 more of my faves.
15 grams per cup. How hard is it to get 30? So whole grains, another great source of fiber. And then another secret favorite, because we want to be sweet sometimes, is chocolate. But I want it to be dark chocolate and greater than 70% cacao. Really anti-cancer. Oh, wait, is it really hard to eat all of this stuff at once? Then make it in
a smoothie.
You ladies are going to love this. This is my cancer-kicking antioxidant smoothie. I truly believe that it has more antioxidants than any other single glass of goodness on planet Earth. We're gonna start with our base of soy milk, which if you consume soy regularly, even just a couple times a week, 60% less breast cancer than no soy consumption.
Dang.
We already talked about how much I love my cruciferous veggies, so we're gonna put
dark
spinach and we could even put kale in here. Any kind of greens work. Berries, the phytonutrients in berries are, not only is there fiber in here, but the antioxidants in here, again, seek and destroy cancer cells. They're like secret weapons. Bananas have rutin, which is another anti-inflammatory. One date, you think it's to make it sweet, but no, it is because dates have fiber, and fiber, again, binds estrogen in your GI tract, and estrogen feeds and fuels 80% of all breast cancers. So the lower you get the estrogen, the better. Cinnamon is a great anti-inflammatory. Rachael to help me. And then this is matcha green tea powder. Maybe pricey. You know what? Just cut a green tea bag open and
dump it in there. Yep.
Polyphenols literally stop tumor cell production and metastases. Green tea, 3 cups of green tea a day cuts breast cancer in half, cuts breast cancer recurrence by 50%. Squeeze some lemon in there, bumps the antioxidants by 5 times. This is aloe vera gel, inner fillet only. It is gel, not juice. It's anti-inflammation inside your body. Okay,
what's this guy?
Okay, well that is ground flax seeds.
Flax seeds!
Omega-3 fatty acids, and this is turmeric. Turmeric is not readily available unless you combine it with black pepper. The piperine in pepper makes it 2,000 times % more bioavailable.
Wow.
And this is my biggest secret weapon. It's called amla. It is the powdered Indian gooseberry, has 124 times the antioxidant content of blueberries. 124 times.
Wow.
It's the tippity top of all foods on planet Earth.
Zap this?
Zap and go.
Oh, please turn on. I know, it's really exciting. Color of breast cancer awareness.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. With some juice.
All right. There.
You gotta save enough to share.
All right.
All right. Here you go, sister.
Thank you. Cheers.
Here you go, hot dog.
I'm gonna drink it.
I'll drink it out of here.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.